Greetings, I'm Blast with MG fans. Today, got my apron on. We're going to be doing a little cooking using our Emeril Lagasse air fryer 360. So I went fishing the other day and on Lake CACHUMA, and we caught some trout. We got two really nice, beautiful trout on Lake CACHUMA yesterday, and today I figured, why don't we use our air fryer, the Emeril Lagasse Power Air Fryer 360, to air fry the trout with our old family recipe, which is pretty simple. We're gonna stuff it with garlic, some lemons, butter, salt and pepper all over the front and the inside, and then we're gonna stick it into the air fryer and have a little meal. We're gonna have a little mac and cheese for a side, and we'll see how it comes out. So this is the first time I've done trout in the air fryer, but I'm pretty confident it will come out pretty good. I would like it a little crispy on the outside and nice and flaky on the inside. So let's see how we're gonna do that. All right, so let's get ready and prepare the fish, because the fish is, as you can see, fairly large. I mean, let's compare it to the air fryer. So if we put it right alongside the air fryer, you could see that they are definitely a little bit bigger than the basket. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut their heads off and their tails to make them fit just nicely and nice and perfect inside the basket. Also, you know, if you have a family, kids, wife who isn't into eating or looking at the fish heads, then it's probably gonna be good. So let's go ahead and do that, and then we will stick them in the air fryer. So let's do it. Alright guys and girls, so now that we've stuffed our trout, as you can see, we got the lemon, we got the butter, and underneath the butter we got some garlic. Make them nice and close them nice and tight, and we're gonna transport them right onto our basket for the air fryer. So there's this one right here. Got the sliced lemon, we got the butter and the garlic, salt and pepper inside and the outside. We're going to transfer it right into our air fryer basket, the Emeril Lagasse. And then once we're done with that, we're going to take that and we're going to stick it right into the actual air fryer, which is right here. There we go. Kids are playing. It's nice. So we get our trout. We're gonna put it into the air fry slot. Make sure your drip tray is in place. All right, and then we're going to close it up. And we're gonna set the timer for a total of 30 minutes. So it's gonna be 15 minutes per side, flipping it once in the middle. And that should give you a nice crispy skin on the outside and a really good moist fish on the inside. So let's do it. Alright guys, so at the halfway point, we're going to want to flip these guys. There we go. There's one. And there's the other. Okay. So we flipped it. Then we're going to go another 15 minutes on the other side. So 15 minutes one side, 15 minutes on the other. That's just my preference. I like them crispy. You could definitely go less, probably, depending on how big your fish is, how thick your fish is. These are pretty significant size trout, so I'm going to go with 50 on each side. All right, so let's put it in for another 50 minutes and then we should be ready. Alright guys and ladies, so 50 minutes on one side, 50 minutes on the other, and we got our nice and moist trout. The skin is a little crispy, not as crispy as I'd like it to be. I guess we could go a little longer if you want it crispy, but the the flesh itself is really nice and moist. Let's see if we could give you guys a little preview of that. Let's take some look at that. Oh my goodness. Just flaky goodness. Oh man. I just put it perfect. That's pretty good. So there you go. Trout in the air fryer. Delicious.